Welcome to Trusted Maritime Recruiting. Safety Reviewer. Always remember, safety first is a rule. Reliability, accuracy, and efficiency. Help, protection, and care. Part 3. 28. What kind of life-saving appliances are there on board? 1. Lifeboat. 2. Life raft. 3. Life ring. 4. Life jacket. (29) Equipment inside the lifeboat. 2 boat hooks. 1 bailers. 2 buckets with lanyards. 1 survival manual. 1 sea anchor. 2 hatchets, axe. 1 rust-proof dippers. 1 pack of food ration 10,000 kJ for each person. 1 whistle. 1 first aid kit. 1 efficient radar reflector. 1 waterproof electric flashlight. 1 set of fishing tackle. 1 jackknife. 10% capacity, thermal protective aids. 1 compass. 2 painter lines. 3 liters of water per person. 1 rust-proof graduated cup. 1 daylight signaling mirror. 2 browsing tackles. 6 anti-seasick tablets per person. 2 rescue quoits, lines. 1 manual bilge pump. 1 searchlight. 1 drain and plug. 1 short boarding ladder. Sufficient oar, sufficient crutches. Pyrotechnics, used to send distress signals. 2 buoyant orange smoke signals, for 3 minutes. 4 rocket parachute flares, red color for 40 seconds. 6 hand flares, red color for 40 seconds. 30. Equipment inside the life raft. 1 buoyant rescue quoit. 2 sponges. 2 buoyant paddles. 1 first aid outfit. 1 efficient radar reflector. 1 life-saving signal. 1 rust-proof graduated cup. 6 anti-seasick tablets per person. 1.5 liter of water per person, in bag. 1 knife with a buoyant handle and lanyard, attached stowed in a pocket near the painter line. 1 flashlight, torch, with spare batteries and spare bulb. 1 packed food ration per person, 10,000 kilojoules, 500 grams. 2 buoyant bailers. 2 sea anchors. 3 tin openers and a pair of scissors. 1 whistle. 1 signaling mirror. 1 set of fishing tackle. 1 survival manual. 3 TPA, thermal protective aids. 1 set of repair kit. Pyrotechnics, used to send distress signals. 2 buoyant orange smoke signals, for 3 minutes. 4 rocket parachute flares, red color for 40 seconds. 6 hand flares, red color for 40 seconds. 31. How many hours after the abandoned ship, can we consume food and water? 24 hours after abandoned ship, except for injured persons, water, 3 liters per person on the lifeboat, and 1.5 liter per person on the life raft. 32. How should we be dressed for abandoned ship? Well dressed in warm clothes. 33. What is hypothermia? Any condition in which the temperature of a body drops below the level required of 95 degrees Fahrenheit, will cause violent shaking, confusion, disorientation, amnesia, sluggishness, or death. Most heat is lost through the head, and can be most prevented by covering your head, and staying dry. 34. What do you do if someone is suffering from hypothermia? Remove wet clothing, and put a blanket, or any hypothermic materials. Dry clothes, and put them back. 35. What is the lifeboat lifeline? The lifelines, fitted around on each side of the lifeboat, persons in the water can cling, or hold onto the lifeboat. 36. What is the lifeboat's grab line? The ropes running underneath the lifeboat, by the keel. When the lifeboat capsizes, they can hold and climb up to the lifeboat. 37. What is the lifeboat's grab rail? The steel rail underneath the lifeboat. When the lifeboat capsizes, they can hold and climb up to the lifeboat. 38. What is the lifeboat's main rope? The ropes with the knot that hangs above the lifeboat, and persons inside the lifeboat should hold them during launching or recovering. 39. What is the purpose of the painter's line? To keep the lifeboat stayed alongside at the ship's side, and to avoid the lifeboat drifting from the ship, when the lifeboat is on the water. Before releasing the lifeboat falls, floating blocks. 40. What would you use to send a distress signal? Daytime, buoyant orange smoke. Signaling mirror. Whistle. moving up and down the life jacket, or the orange canopy of the lifeboat. Nighttime, hand flares. Flashlight. Lantern, in a lifeboat only. Rocket parachute flares. Whistle. 41. What is the purpose of the sea anchor? To minimize the drifting of the lifeboat, and the life raft, due to wind and current, and rescuers can locate the lifeboat, or the life raft, as much nearer to the location where the distress signal was transmitted, to keep the boat pointed into the sea. 42. How do we jump to the sea? 1. Look down to the sea to see if it is clear of people, or any other obstruction. 2. Cross one of your arms, and hold the life jacket tight by your neck to your body, to protect your chin from the strike when entering the water, and the other arm to pinch your nose. 3. Cross your leg and jump feet first, looking forward at the horizon. 43. What is the best way to be seen by the rescuers with survivors on the water? Assemble together as many as you can, and form a big circle. The color of your life jacket can attract the attention of any aircraft, or any ship in the vicinity. 44. How we can give the SOS signal. Three shorts, 3 longs, and 3 short whistles, or flashes. SOS stands for Save Our Souls. Short, 1 second duration. Long, 4 to 6 seconds duration. Please give us a like, click on subscribe, share our videos, and wait for our coming ones.